Hey folks, it's Greg Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. And today's video topic is about our services offered. Now, a lot of folks think once you sign up for our property management services that we keep you hostage and you have to use each and every service that we provide. That is totally untrue and it's totally false. There's only one service that you must use of ours, and that is in our contract. We must collect the rent, and that's because we get paid a management fee based on the rent that we receive. So as soon as we collect that rent, we generate a management fee, and the remainder is yours. Now, every other service that we offer is optional, okay? Your maintenance, your leasing, your evictions, your turnovers, all of those things can be handled by you or your vendors. So if you want to save some money, you can do that. A lot of folks will have us collect the rent, but they'll do the maintenance and then have us come in and do the leasing. So there's a bunch of different combinations that you can use that best fits your needs and your wallet's needs. So just wanted to recap that today. The only mandatory service is we must collect the rent, and then everything else is up to you and it's optional. So once again, this is Gregory. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters, your property managed.